Good morning class. How are you all? I hope you all are well as staying your home. Am I right? Okay. So we are going to learn today what? The new chapter, Amazing Animal. We are going to learn today what? About the amazing animal. Right? So our world is full of amazing animals. There is almost everywhere we found animals, right? On land, in lakes, in forests, mountains. On mountains, everywhere the animals are living. So animals are living in that different type of lake, in the different type of place about their body structure, right? So they are the animal where they are living according to their body structure, according to their adaptation, that is their environment. That is called the environment where are the animals live. Some are living in the water, some are living on land, है ना? So and some are living on mountains, hilly area, in a very cold region, right? In a polar region. So it is all the type of animals are living according to their body structure, right? So identify these animals and their places of living in the picture given below and write in the spaces provided, right? Identify these animals and wherever they are living and write here which animal live in which type of place, right? Okay, do this activity and complete it. So first tell me, where does you live? Where does you live? Where are you living? On land and at your home? See, what is this? It is a home of human. Means in this type of home also you are living. Means every human are living in some type on the land, and these type of homes they are making, right? So as the same way the animals are living in their home, right? So some there is different type of animal, many type of animal, you know. The constituted numbers of animal are present. They are living in the world, right? So tiger, lion, monkey, fish, frog, camel. There is many type of animal. They are living in the different type of snakes, rabbit, na. So an area in which a particular animals are living. They eat, they grow, they reproduce, right? And they can save themselves from their predators, right? So that is what? That is called the habitat. Means the home, in which home you are living, that is your habitat, right? Wherever you are living, your home is what? That is a habitat of yours, right? All the humans' habitat is what? Home. They are living on the land and they are making some different type of home, right? So that they are making different type of houses. So that is what? That is the habitat of the human. As the same way, the animal are also having the habitat, right? Wherever the animals are living naturally, they grow, they eat, they catch their predators, they save themselves from their predators, they reproduce, right? So that is what? That is habitat, their natural surrounding. ऐसा नहीं कि आप उनको केज में बंद कर दो और उनको आप पूरी उनकी सारी चीजें आप उनकी फैसिलिटीज आप उनको प्रोवाइड करते रहो, उनको खाने के लिए देते रहो, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड हैबिटेट. दैट इज नॉट अ हैबिटेट. Habitat is what? That is a natural surrounding of the animal wherever the animals are living. They grow, they eat, they reproduce their young ones, right? So that is habitat. Let us come do the activity. and find out the animal wherever they are living and what is the habitat of them, right? Make a list of some animals habitat they prefer, right? Name of the animal. Class, take your pencil and notebook. Write this in your notebook. Habitat. So, think about that. Tell me the animal's name and their habitat. First, tell me any animal's name. Tell me any animal name. Class. So, students, tell me animal name.
Lion.
Okay. So, lion. You know where the lion is living? What is the habitat of lion? No? Lives in a den or cave. Where? In a den and cave. Right? Tell me the next animal name. What is?
Camel.
Camel. Okay. Camel. So where does the camel lives? You know? What is the habitat of camel?
Desert.
Desert. Okay. Right. Very good. Desert. In the desert, camel lives. Means the habitat of camel is what? That is a desert. And the habitat of lion, that is a den or cave. Means where we found the den or cave, that is we found in the forest. Means the lion's habitat is what? That is a forest, right? And the camel's habitat is desert, right? Then the next one, what is? Tell me any other animal name.
Polar bear.
Polar bear, right? Polar bear. You know where the polar bear lives? You know where the polar bear lives? No? You don't know?
No.
Okay. The polar bear lives in the mountains. Where? In the polar region and mountains. Polar region. In the polar region, the polar bear lives, right? Tell me any other animal name. Class, tell me any other animal name. The next animal name is what?
Shark.
Shark, right? Shark and octopus. Where they are living? They are living in a same habitat. Where they are living? You know? Class? No. They are living in a ocean. Shark lives in a
Ocean.
ocean. So ocean is the habitat of shark and octopus, blue whale, right? So all are the animals, they are living in a ocean. Okay. So class, tell me the next animal name.
Frog.
Frog. Oh, frog. So frog, salamander and tortoise. They all are living in a same habitat. You know where they are living?
River.
In a river. Okay, right. Very good. So frog, salamander and the tortoise, they all are living in a river, lakes, in a fresh water, and also they are living on land. You don't know this thing where they are living in a both, where on the land and on the in a water, right? They are living in a both places, in a land and also in a water. They are living, right? So they all are called the amphibians. Pond. Right? So copy it in your notebook. Okay? The forest is what? That is a habitat of many animals. In the forest, there is many animals are living, right? Like lion. The forest contains the lot of variety number of animals, right? Lion, tiger, monkey, so a bear. Many of the animals, they are living in the forest. So that contains variety of animals in the forest. They are getting all the things, whatever they need in the forest, means they are living naturally in the forest. They are getting food, they are eating. So many of the animals, they are getting food, they can save themselves from their predators. See, all are the animals, they are living in a forest, right? Because tiger is living in a den, or lion is also living in a cave or den. Monkeys lives on tree, birds also lives on tree, right? Rabbit live in a burrow, so they are living in the forest. Then the next habitat is what? Desert, where the camel lives. So what is desert? The sandy areas which do not have the sufficient water and the green vegetation, right? The sandy area which do not have the sufficient water and green vegetation, right? As you know, the desert are very hot during the day and very cool at night, right? So in a night it is very cool and during the day it is very hot. So that is what? That is a desert. So which type of animal that they can survive in the desert? As I told you, camel. Camel can survive in the desert, and many other animal also they can survive, which they have need of very less amount of water. So how the camel can survive? What are the body structure of their? They can survive in the desert because the camel need very less amount of water. So the camel, how they can survive? Their body feature help them to survive. You can see here what is? It is called hump. What is this? It is called hump. ये क्या है? ये hump है किसका? Camel का, right? So they can store the water in their hump, and they have no need of water for 8 days. 1 week they can live without water because they can store the water in their hump, right? And they have, as you can see, their long leg they have, so they can live also with the help of their legs, because these long legs help them to keep their body away from the heat of the sun, right? And they have the long eyelashes. See here, their long eyelashes, right? So it help them, it protect them to from the sand, right? It keep away their eyes from the sand. So that is the body feature of camel. They can survive in the desert. Some of also the animal, they are burrowing. They can live underground. They are also living in a desert. Then the next habitat is what? Polar region, right? Where the polar region, wherever the polar bear lives. Many of the other animals like penguins, polar bear, they all are living in a polar region. Polar region is what? That is a very cold region and very high mountains that is covered with snow, right? It is covered with snow. It is a cold region and high mountains we found here. That is the polar region. Polar region means Earth. The polar region is what? At the pole of the Earth. Means Earth के सबसे ऊपर वाले region जो होता है और सबसे नीचे वाला region, wherever the sunlight cannot falls on that region. So that's why this region is very cold whole of the year, right? So that is what? That is a polar region. So it is a picture of polar bear. They are able to survive there because they have a special feature to withstand cold, right? So they have also a layer of fat under their skin, which keeps their body warm also, and they have in the body of there is very thick fur, layer of very thick fur. Also they have on their body we are found the thick fur that keep their body warm in the cold region, right? And some type of birds also living in a polar region, that like penguins, ptarmigans have thick fur, and they have also the thick fatty layer in the skin. So they can survive in the polar. The next habitat is what? Ocean. In the ocean is the largest habitat of the fishes. We are found different type of fishes, variety of fishes we found in the ocean, right? So the fishes, they are adopted to live in the water, so they can survive in the ocean, like shark, octopus, blue whale, all are the fishes, they can live in the ocean, right? Then after that, the next is what? River, pond or fresh water. That is also a habitat. Fresh water, as you know, what is fresh water? Oceans. In the oceans water, what is? That is a salty water. And fresh water, what is? That we can drink. The drinkable water, that is called the fresh water, in which we are not found the salt, right? So that is called the fresh water. So many type of animals that also they are living in the fresh water, like pond, river and lakes. कौन से हैं वो? Frog, tortoise and salamander. These all are the animals. They can live in the fresh water. Also they can live on a land. These animals, they can live in the water and land both. They are called the amphibians, right? So their body feature, they are according to their body structure, they can survive in the water and land both. So that's why they are called very lucky animal, because they can survive in both land and water, right? So it's all about the habitat of the animal. Thank you, class. Thank you.